One of the aspects of these yoga teacher trainings is that we really dive into what is healthy alignment. We look at these postures which are intrinsically designed and created for the body to be more healthy, to be more structurally oriented. So when we look at alignment, we look at how do we stabilize the body? How do we start to grow away from that root into something magnificent? Because alignment intrinsically helps a person to get into their body. People are trying to get away from their body, and we want people in yoga to get into their body. My teacher has an amazing saying, when you fully inhabit yourself, everything becomes clear. When a person fully inhabits themselves, it's like answers and questions about your life just start to come to you. Alignment isn't just for physiological reasons, it's also for mental reasons. There's a mental restructuring of the mind that everything becomes inwardly aligned.